Welcome to our Instagram DM automation series. In this video we will take a quick look at how we use the Instagram user input option. From the left menu, click Instagram, then user input. On the user input page, create a new user input flow. Give your campaign a name, then choose the account you want to associate with this user input. Next, click on the email component on the right. The email component setting will show on the left. Here we will enter the text asking the user to share their email. Clicking on the gear icon will display some more options. For the reply type, make sure this is set as email. If you have any custom fields created, you can save the input by choosing the custom field here. You also have the option to save the input data to the system fields. For this tutorial, we will save the input to the system fields. Next, we will add a phone number component. As before with the email, we will ask the user for their phone number. We will then make sure that the reply type is set to phone. Then we will save the input data to the phone system field. On this input, however, we will give the user the option to skip entering their phone number. Lastly, we will add the lead magnet flow we created before as the reply template. Finally, click Submit.